That's the way I like to live my life. And I know that everything's gonna be just fine.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Welcome back to another episode of I4 Productions.
AKA.
No, I'll come close to it. Okay, ready? And so today, we saw.
It's crazy.
Crazy. From out. Off. Guys, what if this is a leak? How lit?
I don't know.
I don't. So we're. You know what it is? We found
Real
it.
stairs.
You put it on the ground and then run away really quick.
Okay.
Good luck.
What if he gets mad? This is really hot.
You guys think so?
That like God, record that.
You be the.
Ready?
Yo!
Dude, I just okay. Go.
SOB. Haters.
Yeah. Okay, guys. If you
Freak.
about.
Oh.
Do you want to win all the gift cards down below? Just leave a like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, make sure you leave a comment, and enjoy the video.